She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to me. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah.
Yo, what's up you guys, back with another video. Yes, today I'm finally making another wheel video. I've been waiting 7 maybe 8 months, I'm not sure, but I know I've been waiting a long time for this video. I ordered these back in April. It is now November 8th, I believe, and I really can't do the math in my head right now. I'm really just too excited to finally put wheels on this. So I'm actually gonna ceramic coat them this Sunday and then just pop them on as soon as I can on Monday, or maybe even Tuesday, I don't know. I'm gonna try to put them on as soon as I ceramic coat them, just get them on my car. Finally, I have the tires, I have the TPMS sensors, I have it all. I've been waiting so long for this video. So let's do a little review. I'm about to open the package, show you guys what's up. Let's see how these wheels look. Let's see what wheels I went with. Alright, you guys ready? So, as many of you guys know, I did go with work wheels, but you guys didn't know which wheels I went with. I went with Work Emotions ZR10s. These are the SEMA edition. I had to get these custom made because they didn't have them in my spec, so that's what took so long. Also, with the ports are just insane right now. So the colorway they call it is a diamond cut, which is that outer rim part with the polished lip, and glim black on the inside. I try to keep black chrome with my car because I absolutely love the color on my Cosmos. That black chrome was I just loved it. It went so well with the car, so I had to go something similar. Hope you guys love them as much as I do. I can't wait to put them on the car so bad. Like, I just wanted to put them on today, but I gotta be patient. I have to ceramic coat them. I want to do the inner barrel as well, so I can get them really coated, and I don't have to worry about it getting all dirty all the time, because these wheels are just too nice. I will put a link down in the description where I got them. I did get them from my sponsors. Luckily, they were able to get me some at a great price. So if you guys want to hit up Import Image Racing for any wheel needs, they will get you any wheel you could possibly want. It may take some time. This took about 8 months, but that's out of their control. These do come from Japan, made to order specifically for you. So I will put a link down in the description for Import Image Racing. Let's get you guys some B-roll. Alright, now let's go get him ceramic coated. Let's go with my homeboy Jonathan. Let's see what he got in store for us. We're getting him ceramic coated by the homie. He's always hooking it up. Make sure you guys check out his business, Bucket Brigade's Details. He does an amazing job. He actually ceramic coated my car and now the wheels. He gets you for a really good price no matter what. And he'll beat anybody's prices, and he's gonna ceramic coat just like a professional ceramic coating company will do. So he's getting up there. He's probably already up there, but he still has the same unbeatable prices. So make sure you guys check out the homie Johnson at Bucket Brigades. I will have his Instagram down below, so you guys can hit him up. Just send him a DM and he can get you an appointment set up.
Wheel ceramic coating, Sonex. So what we're doing right now is just applying it evenly so it could be protected from all the harsh chemicals in the air. It could gloss no matter what.
So basically, the main function for ceramic coating your wheels is that you don't want brake dust all over your car. You always want it to look shiny, and ceramic coating does that. You see right here, he's ceramic coating the sticker. So you want to ceramic coat the wheel first and then put the sticker on, and then ceramic coat the sticker. I am actually going to make a separate video on how to install this sticker, because there is a specific way how to install it, funnily enough. That will be a separate video. But let's get into the hardware part of the video, the lug nuts and the center caps. But the lug nuts I did go with was Project KICS MONOLITH. Here are the dimensions if you guys need them. I got them in black chrome just so they can match my wheels. I was gonna get them red, but I was like, nah, I'm already gonna have a red spoke, so what's the point? I will put a link down in the description where to buy these. I did get these from Import Image Racing. Here are the 4 caps. Unfortunately, you do have to buy them separately, but I'll put a link down in the description where you can cop these. And other different styles that Work does offer, I chose these. Just wanted to get more simple look. I didn't want to go all out and just make my car look crazy, so sometimes simple and clean is the way to go. So every time you order wheels, you always got to make sure they fit on your car, make sure they're clearing. With these wheels, you can't really do much. I can't really return them if they don't fit, so I gotta know that they fit. But here are some hub-centric rings. I'll put a link down in the description. Fortunately, these wheels do not need them. They actually came with the 54.1 bore, so I'm cool. These TPMS sensors are the OEM sensors. However, I did order the valve stems from Lexus. I'll put a link down in the description so you guys can have a metal valve stem instead of that rubber valve stem. I just don't know. I don't find those rubber valve stems reliable. You have to order them with the fitting kit and a gasket. They do come together. So I'll put a link down in the description where I bought them. But here's a little time lapse of me installing my wheel.
Ryan Little.
Alright guys, so I did rub a little bit when putting these new tires. I did go wider tires, so I am rubbing. So you guys could just copy here what I'm doing. All I did was just get a Dremel and cut little slits on this little metal piece. You don't have to cut too deep into it. You just gotta cut a bunch of little slits and just bend it back. Alright guys, before we get into the B-roll where I showcase the wheels, how it looks on the car, just a more in-depth look, I just want to thank you guys so much for always clicking the channel, always supporting the channel, liking the videos, commenting, all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys 100%. Thank you guys for staying this far if you guys have. If you guys stay a little bit longer after the B-roll, I actually have a little surprise for you guys. I know I teased the intro in the beginning, but now you guys will see the new full intro. Let me know what you guys think. This will be the new intro for my channel. Hope you guys liked the video. Thank you guys for watching. Catch you guys next time.
Ryan Little. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining